In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the BGM GFX tool for PUBG. Let's firstly launch the BGM GFX tool. Before you launch the BGM GFX tool, you're going to make sure that PUBG is not running in the background. I don't have PUBG on the background here. So let's launch the BGM GFX tool first. Next. Allow the BGM GFX tool to access photos and medias. Wait for a few seconds and tap on continue here. Use this folder, tap on allow. Now you're going to choose the version of game that you have on your phone. I have the global PUBG version. This one here, select. Now once again continue here. Use this folder, allow. We can select the resolution here. Let's pick it to 1080p here. We can also set the FPS here, 40 FPS. Turn on the super optimization. Now this app might load up few ads, so don't be annoyed. Also we have got some M features here, that is M assist, pro M, low lag, etc. So I can select the M assist feature. Just skip the ad if it pops up, and let me select the low lag. Also you can set the iPad view, that's iPhone or iPad. Let me change it to real iPad view. Select this one and download this once again. Okay. Also we have some visual features here, night mode, glacier effect, ultra HD GFX. Let me select one, ultra HD GFX feature. Now after applying all the features that you want on your game, you can scroll down and just tap on activate here. It gives me instruction here that it's better to tap on active lobby here. Tap on understand and tap on active lobby. Skip the ad. Now tap on I understand. Tap on start to start the game with the features applied. So now the PUBG game will launch all the features applied on GFX tool. As you can see now we have got advanced features on PUBG applied from BGM GFX tool, and the graphics and FPS have improved significantly here. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.